Gannon J. Fitzgerald asked, what are good general rules to follow in hip-hop dancing? I think there's two. One is learn your foundation. So depending on whatever, actually that's the number one rule. Learn your foundation and then practice the crap out of that. Because, you know, for any style of dance, whether it's breaking, locking, popping, house, whacking, even hip-hop choreography, there are foundational elements that I think everyone needs to learn in order to be able to execute it properly. And because I think if people try to run before they learn how to walk, it's gonna look awkward and choppy and not as finessed as it could be. So, and then there's nothing wrong with people trying to make that jump right off the bat, because you can always take a step back and clean it up. But I think the process will be much faster if you take your time to get your foundations right, because then having a strong foundation will give you flexibility to experiment and do things the way you want it. So get your foundation.